Today we're gonna solve another Leetcode problem named Find the Pivot Element. The problem is that you are given an integer number, you have to find pivot integer between in this range. Let's talk about pivot number. The pivot number is a number such that the sum of all number lesser than it equal to sum of all number greater than it within this range. Let's dive into solving. Here given range of number from 1 to n. Now consider x is the pivot number. So we can say if sum of 1 to x equal sum of x to n, then x is the pivot number. We know sum of x natural number is x into x plus 1 divided by 2, and sum of x to n equal x plus n into n minus x plus 1 divided by 2. Now we can say sum 1 equal sum 2. Let's do some typical calculation. Finally, we've got x square equal n square plus n divided by 2. So x equal root over n square plus n divided by 2. This is the formula sum of n natural number. Let's code it out. So x equal square root n into n plus 1 by 2. Now we can say x is our pivot number, but pivot number should be natural number. So we have to check x is natural number or not. If natural number, then we just written x, otherwise we written minus 1. Let's check. If x modulo 1 equal to 0, then we can say x is a natural number, so we just return it. Return x, otherwise we return minus 1. Now run this code and submit it. Let's talk about time complexity. The time complexity of this solution is constant, and space complexity also constant because we didn't use any extra space to solve this problem.